Join Kids Hut family. I can't wait to see all the cool places in Jaipur.
Me too, Tofu. It's going to be so much fun.
Wow, look at the amazing landscapes.
That's so beautiful.
Wow, look at the vibrant colors everywhere.
And those magnificent palaces and forts.
Where are we going first, dear?
Our first stop, the Amber Fort.
That's an awesome choice.
I am so excited. The Amber Fort is a centuries-old palace made of beautiful red sandstone. Kings and queens used to live here, surrounded by lush gardens and stunning views. This place is like something out of a fairy tale. Next, the Hawa Mahal, also known as the Palace of Winds.
Why is it called the Palace of Winds, dear?
It's called the Palace of Winds because it has lots of tiny windows that let the breeze flow through. Royals used to watch the city's bustling streets from here.
Wow, that's so cool.
Now, it's time to explore Jantar Mantar, an ancient astronomical observatory. Whoa, what exactly is this place? Jantar Mantar has giant instruments to measure the stars and predict the weather. It was like a playground for scientists from the past.
That's so incredible. Guys, look at that. What are they doing with the dolls?
That's a puppet show.
A puppet show? What's that?
Puppet shows are a traditional form of entertainment in Rajasthan. They tell stories with colorful puppets, music, and lots of excitement. It's quite an entertaining show. I can't stop smiling. This is awesome. Well, no trip is complete without savoring the flavors of Jaipur. Wow, that looks so yummy. What is it?
It is dal bati churma.
What is it made of? It looks so tempting and different. It's made of lentils, wheat balls, and sweet crushed wheat. It's yum. Exploring Jaipur's history, culture, and cuisine was amazing.
And we all had the best time together.
And the architecture.
India is truly incredible. And the puppet show was my favorite part of the journey.
Yes, Tofu. That was some incredible expression of art.
So, where are we going next, dear?
Well, surprise, surprise, surprise.
Your surprises never fail to surprise us, dear.
Haha. Let's pump up for our next trip.
Cheers to our incredible country.
Incredible India, Exploring Udaipur, Episode 2. Okay guys, flip the tickets in 3, 2, 1. Oh dear, wow! This is going to be awesome. I've heard Udaipur has some amazing historical places.
Dear, we love your surprises.
Haha. Okay boys, let's get ready for the adventure.
Hooray! I can't believe we are going to Udaipur. It's going to be amazing.
Absolutely, Tofu. Let's make unforgettable memories together. Look, we're almost there. After an exciting train journey, we have finally arrived in the captivating city of Udaipur. Yay!
Wow, Udaipur looks like something out of a fairy tale.
Indeed, the palaces and lakes are so picturesque. The first stop, the magnificent City Palace. The City Palace is a grand palace complex that has been standing for centuries. It's like stepping back in time to the era of kings and queens. I feel like a royal explorer. Next, the charming Lake Pichola.
Oh, I have read about this famous lake. Wow, please tell us, Bill.
Lake Pichola is a stunning lake surrounded by beautiful buildings, including the Lake Palace.
Can you imagine staying in a palace on a lake?
That would be amazing. Come on, guys. Let's embrace the local culture. Wearing these vibrant Rajasthani clothes is a wonderful way to experience the local traditions and style. That's true. Time to indulge in Udaipur's delectable food. Are you all ready?
The flavors of Rajasthani cuisine are so unique and delicious. I love the combination of spices and textures.
Let's enjoy some tourist activities now. I love this place.
Guys, look, the market.
Wow, that's a traditional Rajasthani market.
This place is truly rich in its culture. Look at the colors everywhere.
The crockery, the clothes, wow. Everything looks beautiful. Let's go shopping. I feel like buying everything in here. Exploring Udaipur's bustling markets is a feast for the senses. From colorful fabrics to intricate handicrafts, there's something for everyone. Exploring Udaipur's history, culture, and cuisine was truly a magical experience.
And the best part was sharing it all with you, my friends.
Udaipur, you've truly stolen our hearts. Incredible India. Exploring Jaisalmer. Episode 3. And finally, this is our last vacation spot.
Oh no!
Don't be sad, Tofu. We have made some incredible memories.
That's true.
Gear up, guys. We will have lots of fun.
I can't wait to see what incredible things await us in Jaisalmer.
Me neither, Tofu. Let's make some unforgettable memories together.
Look, here's the station finally.
Wow, this place already feels amazing. So, what's our first stop? Well, look to your right.
Whoa! Is that the Jaisalmer fort?
Yes, it is. Isn't it so beautiful?
Indeed! Jaisalmer Fort looks like something straight out of a fairy tale.
And those intricate carvings on the sandstone walls are amazing. Jaisalmer Fort is also known as the Golden Fort because of its golden hue at sunset. It's majestic. I can almost imagine knights and royalty walking these streets. Let's dive into Jaisalmer's rich cultural heritage, boys.
Jaisalmer is famous for its traditional Rajasthani music and dance. The melodies and moves tell stories of bravery and love.
Time to savor the flavors of Jaisalmer.
The taste of Rajasthani cuisine is so unique and full of spices.
Let's explore through the city's vibrant streets. Jaisalmer's markets are like treasure troves filled with colorful textiles, intricate handicrafts, and unique souvenirs. With hearts warmed by friendship and memories to last a lifetime, we finally conclude our incredible journey through Jaisalmer.
Exploring Jaisalmer's history, culture, and cuisine with all of you has been truly magical. And the best part is that our adventure together continues.
Jaisalmer, you've left an everlasting impression on all of us. Cheers to our incredible country!
Hooray! For your favorite rhymes, stories, and more, join Kids Hut family. Subscribe here.